starting point for documentary is just social concern. It's an interest in the world, it's an ideas thing. That's what documentary really is. In the modern world, in the modern industry, there are so many possibilities, so many ways in which documentary can fit into life, into media. I like to think we're a small course with a big heart. We're very close as a group, and we know all our students very closely. So we really get to know you, get to know what your interests are, and we can mentor that in your practice. And one of the exciting things about the third year of the course is that it gives you the platform to make work that you can actually have published. And many of the projects that made some of our graduates, some of our alumni famous, they weren't made when they graduated, they were actually made on the final year of the course. And this is something that sometimes people don't know. Cardiff is a really diverse, really exciting, really welcoming city. And for documentary, that's ideal. That diversity of people and backgrounds means that there are loads of stories. The core ethos of documentary is about ideas. The rest is for us to experiment.